Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited. I haven't not done a video in a while, but it's because I've been busy working on my little shop that I started. If you guys don't know, I did start a little shop called Yadico. You can go ahead and check it out on Instagram. I also just created an Etsy, so I'm going to be leaving the link down below. I created these little crystal rings and, well, not this one. This is not like the one that I done. But I also created these necklaces. I've already had this one, but I created this one. I created 3 different necklaces of crystal necklaces that have a meaning. One is for anxiety, one is for stress, and one is for self-love. The necklaces are $15 and each of these rings are 18. You have a choice between 18. $8. I'm sorry, they're $8. You have a choice between silver and brass, and I basically made to order them. So if you order them, I'm like making them on the spot for you. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and leave the link down below. I also want to say, if you guys are gonna place your orders, I would recommend you guys placing orders before March 24, because like that I can ship them out for you guys faster, because I will be taking a little break, so I won't be able to take out any orders for you guys after that. So I just wanted to let you guys know that I've been working on this. I have so many good ideas for this little shop that I created. It's just to keep me more busy, and I love it so much. So I hope you guys check it out. Support a little business, and let's go ahead and continue with this video. I don't want to be all loud, but today we're going to be talking about this Chipotle and e.l.f. Cosmetics collection. Oh my god, you guys. When I saw this, I died a little bit, because I did not expect the cuteness of avocado sponge. You guys, I have that little packaging here, but it's a little messed up. But look at you guys. I'm just gonna go in with this because I just need to show you guys. This is like the one thing that I was like obsessed about. Look how cute that is. I mean, they're separate, but look how cute this is. So cute. Let me see if it has a little sponge here for you guys. The extra guac sponge set is $10. So this is going to be $10. It's a little set that it comes with together. I also got the palette, you guys. The palette was amazing. I lost the little name thing. My sister saw the palette with me and we lost the thing. I can't find the names. But basically, it's like the same thing that you see here. It's the same thing. Do you guys see that? I don't know if that's like far enough for you guys, but it literally is the same thing. And I was like, they nailed it. Like the palette, first of all, it looks so wearable and so nice. So I really like that. e.l.f. has nailed it out of the park. I love it. And also they came out with this little gloss. I'm so happy they came out with gloss, because I've been a fan of gloss more than anything else. If they would have came out with a comfortable matte crayon like that, I would have loved that. But I like the fact that it came out with the gloss and is so pretty. So I'm excited, you guys. I'm gonna dive into this little tutorial using this palette. So I do want to say I will be putting the launch date right here for you guys. I don't know when it launches, to be honest, but I will be putting the launch here. The eyeshadow palette is going to be $16. I will be inserting some swatches here for you guys so you guys can see. Obviously the names are like basic names, like the lettuce and like guac and all that stuff. Basically whatever you see in Chipotle, those are the names of the palette. I just don't have it. And then we have the lip gloss. This lip gloss is gonna be $8, which is actually not bad. It's like, I like the price for this. This is nice. I like that. It has vitamin E, coconut oil infused lip plumping gloss. Oh, it is a plumping gloss. I didn't even read it. It is a plumping gloss. Wow, I cannot talk. I'm so excited. And then they also came out with this little bag, you guys. This little bag right here. Oh my god. I was about to throw away the box, and then I saw that it was a little bag in here. And it's so cute when you open it. I'm going to tell you guys the price of this bag. It is $18. But I don't know if that's too much, but it's a really cool bag. It's like aluminum inside. And it looks so cute. Oh my god, I'm like obsessed. And like a lot of things actually would fit here. Like honestly, a lot would fit in here. Pretty good size, which I like a lot. We're gonna go ahead and get started on this video. I'm gonna go ahead and add some primer to my eye. I'm using the ABH primer because since it has a little bit of color, I kind of want the colors to stand out. So I'm gonna be placing this on my lid. We're gonna go in with this palette, you guys. Oh my god, it is so pretty. And the shade that I kind of want to go in today is going to be this orange right here. I have to try this orange, and I want to put that all over the crease moment. I just feel that this is going to look so nice. It is a little bit shimmery, and there is a tad bit of fallout. So you guys can see it's just a little bit, nothing too crazy. So I'm going to go ahead and add this and kind of like tap this to the crease. I don't want to like go crazy with it since I do see that there is a lot of pigment on it. Okay, so far that is looking really nice. I'm going to go ahead and work on the other eye. I'm really liking it so far. The orange, you guys, I love orange so much. Like, orange is actually one of my favorite colors. It is so bright and beautiful. It's just so good. So I really like this color orange, and the fact that it has a little bit of shimmer is really nice. And I actually want to make sure that like my inner corner is really nice and defined. So we're going to go ahead and just blend it out even more there. So far, I am not experiencing any fallout, which I like. I like the fact that I'm not having any fallout on my face. The pigment of the orange one was amazing. Now, I'm going to go in a little bit and define a little bit of the crease here. I'm going to add a little bit of brown just to warm it up a little bit more. So we're going to go in with this shade right here. I'm assuming these are the beans, the pinto beans, I think. And we're going to go in with that and kind of tap it like this and add it right on the crease so we can darken that a little bit more. You guys, we're gonna do like a fun look. I'm not gonna go basic. I really want to create like a fun, colorful look with this palette because the colors are just beautiful, and I like the green and the orange and very fall vibes. I'm getting the fall vibes with this palette, which I really like. So I won't lose that orange. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit more of that orange and just kind of blend that out. Now what I'm going to do is the same thing that I did to the top eye, I'm going to be doing to the bottom. So I'm going to go in with the brown shade just to kind of go in with the lower lash line and taper it down really good there and just kind of blend that out. Really nice. Ooh, I like this color a lot. It's really nice. Ooh, I like it. So far, it's working out for me. I like it. You guys, e.l.f. has really done such an amazing job with their formulas. You guys know how much I love their putty blush. I have it on right now, and it's just so good. And I appreciate because they're affordable. They are so affordable. And even this palette is $18. $18, really usable. They have amazing shimmers. Oh my god. We're going to try to use the shimmer one today on the lid a little bit. Also going to start blending it out here on the top part of my eye, the outer corner. And kind of winging it out like that because I feel like that's going to make it look really nice. I'll blend those shades together. Ooh, this is looking really nice. Now, I feel like I do need like a smaller brush for this because I want to like create like a wing liner. So we're going to go in with this brush right here. This is an angled brush. This is like a BH Cosmetics brush. This is like my old brushes. I'm going to go in with this shade right here. And we're going to be adding that to the outer corner right here to kind of like create a little wing liner. And just making a little bit more deeper. Okay, so far that is how it's looking. I love it so much. So what I want to do is I'm going to be adding that green shade, which is this one right here. I'm assuming this is lettuce. This is the lettuce one. Yeah, I think this is lettuce and then this is guac. So we're going to go in with lettuce and we're going to be tapping that all over the lid because I feel like it's going to look really nice. Now my problem is that I don't have a clean brush. I've been using my e.l.f. one. These are the mint ones, and I'm using this. So I'm going to go in with maybe this side of the brush. It's a little flat there. I'm going to try to take off as much shadow as I can. And we're going to go in with lettuce and add that all over the lid. So we're going to go ahead and just tap that in there. And I'm going to be placing this on the outer corner like this. If I like it, I'm going to put it all over my lid. But so far, I'm going to add this here. Okay, that looks really nice. Ooh, I really like the way this is looking really cute. It looks very nice and bright. It's exactly what I wanted. So I do want to play with a little bit of the shimmers that this palette is offering. So I'm going to go in with the green one. This one right here. We're going to kind of do that. And ooh, that is a lot. And I'm going to place it into the inner corner. I got a lot. Tap that in there. And I'm doing this very slowly, very slowly. We don't want to get too carried away, so I'm just pressing it in there. That looks really, really nice, you guys. Let me know in the comments below so far, what do you guys think of this look? Now, I need to wipe this off because this is too much. So I do want to add a little bit of depthness to my inner corner, a little bit more. So I'm going to grab this like pencil, like buffer brush. I'm going to be getting this shade right here and kind of use that to emphasize a little bit of my inner corner, making circular motions and just blending that out. So that's final look on the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and put some mascara and some lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I am back and my eyes are done. So now we're gonna move on with the lips. I'm gonna go in first with the e.l.f. Retro Paradise number 3 lip liner. This is like a dark brown lip liner and I feel like it will look kind of nice with this eye look. So we're gonna go in and line my lips first. So I'm gonna go in with this plumping lip gloss. I don't know how it's gonna feel. I actually don't really use that many lip plumping glosses, but we'll see how this goes. It looks like this. I honestly thought it was gonna be more red, but it's a little bit more pink red, or you guys can see that right there. So we're gonna go ahead and try this out now. It has like a smell, but I don't know what it is. I'm feeling a little tingling moment. Bad, it's just natural, I guess, when you have a lip plumping lip thing. It's working in there. I can feel it. I might have touched a little bit with my tongue, so I feel it in my tongue too. But it's not bad. I can feel it more. Well, you guys, I actually don't know how I feel about this. It is nice. I like the color. The color is not bad. It's just I'm not used to that plumping feeling. But if you're into the plumping feeling, this is literally gonna make it feel hot. It feels hot. Feels like a little burning kind of tingling moment, kind of like that. That's how it feels like. So you're into plumping lip glosses and this is for you. The color is really nice. As you can tell, it looks really nice when you put a lip liner on and just add this gloss. Really, really nice. Now, I'm obsessed with this palette, you guys. It is so good. I feel like the colors look very, very vibrant. It looks really like, I don't know if you can see, like it's actually vibrant. It's like not dark. I mean, it's not that light. It's actually really good. So I like it a lot, you guys. I didn't get to try the sponge because I had done my face before. I forgot about the sponge, to be honest. Don't hate me. But it is really, really cute. So this is kind of perfect for like the under eye. And this could be, of course, for the whole face. I haven't been using sponges for my face. I have been using brushes. I've been using actually this big old brush from Huda Beauty. So, yeah. So this is the final look. So let me know what you guys think of this look down below in the comments. What are your guys' thoughts when you guys first saw this palette in this collection with Chipotle? Let me know. Thank you guys so much. Again, if you guys are interested again in these little crystal rings, like hand wired crystal rings that I did, then let me know. You guys can check the link down below. I'm going to be leaving the link to my Etsy down below. Remember to order them before March 24th. March 24th, so I can get them done and delivered to you guys before that. Thank you guys again, and thank you e.l.f. for sending me this. I was not expecting this one. This one came out like really quick. When they announced it, they literally sent them all out and I did not expect it today. So thank you guys so much, and if you guys are not following me on my TikTok, Twitter, and Instagram, make sure you guys are following me there. And if you guys are not subscribed to my channel and want to be part of my little family, make sure you guys are subscribed and hit that bell notification to know when I post another video. And that is the end of the video, guys. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.